Hello all, I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did transform this TV stand, as you can see on the screen, to this beautiful floating TV stand with curved edges, glass doors. So make sure to stay till the end of the video to enjoy and see the whole process. Anyway, welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. For this TV stand, my client wanted a 5 feet long floating TV stand. So that is the measurements. So it was 5 feet long, and then the width was around 15 inches, and then the height was around 15 also inches. So those are the basic measurements that you can use if you want to try something like this. So after cutting the pieces of wood, I did join them. As you can see, I'm still joining the pieces together using 2-inch screw nails, and then after that I did make the curves because that is the design my client wanted. She wanted the curved edges just as a design. It was supposed to be a floating TV stand, and that is what we did. So this is the structure that we came up with, the skeleton. As you can see, it has the curves and how we partitioned it. If you want more details about this, you can just comment in the comment section. and I went with the most easiest way, just to cover the edge, that curved edge. As you can see, you have seen how I did it. I used the plywood because it was easy and most affordable way. And then because it was a floating TV stand, this is the method. These are the pieces of wood that I'll be using to mount them on the wall. As you can see, one piece is going to be attached to the TV stand and the other one will be attached to the wall, but later on in the video you will see how I did on the wall. So that is basically how I did mount this TV stand. And then the final thing with this structure that we did was using a body filler, a car body filler. I usually use a car body filler to fill all the gaps, all the holes, nail holes that are visible. I usually fill them using a body filler. And then after that we did prime the TV stand using a white super fast Duracoat paint. And then after that we did paint it. I normally do a first coat, a second one, and a third one. That is for the final paint after priming it. And now you can see that everything is ready. We are just waiting it to dry so that I can join these or attach these doors. The TV stand had two doors, that is wooden doors, and at the middle it is going to be having two glass doors. So first I'm going to be fixing these wooden doors, and I'll be using hydraulic hinges. As you can see, they are soft close, they close themselves. That is after you just open them. So that is what I'm going to be using. So after attaching it, I'll be continuing to show you how I did this process. So as you have seen the video, everything is literally very plain and simple, direct to the point. There is nothing complicated about making this one. So you can just try something like this on your own, just to upgrade your living room or your sitting room. So now here then I'm going to be cutting the pieces of glass, these black glasses, to use them for the middle doors, because I was going to be using two middle doors. And after that, usually make sure that you do a thorough sanding on the edges of the glass to avoid injuries or cutting someone or cutting even yourself. After that, I'm going to be fixing them, and I'll be using this magnetic push to open magnetic door combination. You can see it's a glass door. It usually works well with glass doors. So that is what I'm going to be using in this DIY today. So if you have watched this video till this far, make sure to like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole process. Yeah, and I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos, that is DIYs, transformation videos, makeovers videos, and many more. I know you will like more of our content. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more.